Hey everybody, this is Mark Lewis, principal at Gemstone Elementary. I want to welcome you to our annual report to the public. This year our theme is Be the Change. Our demographics here at Gemstone are made up of 54% white or Caucasian. We have 15% Hispanic, 25% African American, 5% of two or more races, and then we have 1% Asian. Our school profile: enrollment 388 students as of October 1. Our free and reduced lunch rate is at 53% of our students. Per pupil expenditure is $9,398. Our attendance rate is 97%, and 100% of all of our teachers are fully certified. Average teacher salary is $57,607, and Gemstone is in compliance with the district's parent involvement plan. Our school action plan. Please visit the following link that you see right here to view our school's action plan. It's on our website also, on the Gemstone and conwayschools.org. Testing for 2021 school year. K through 2 will take the NWEA assessment 3 times throughout the year. NWEA is an adaptable assessment which shows individual students' growth in reading and math. 3rd and 4th will take ACT Aspire summative assessment in April. ACT Aspire assesses students in English, reading, math, and science, and monitor students' progress toward college and career readiness beginning in the 3rd grade. Our volunteer opportunities are way different this year. As you can see, the list of opportunities we typically have in a normal year, but due to COVID-19, volunteer opportunities are extremely limited. Below is a list of volunteer opportunities for when school returns to normal. Please refer back to this page. You're volunteering with students. Again, opportunities are very limited, but below is a list of volunteer opportunities for when school returns to normal. You will have to have a background check, follow your daily schedule, always wear a visitor tag while on campus, stop by the office if you have questions throughout the day. Be approachable, smile, talk to the students, listen to them. Be smart, follow the school's policy on appropriate conduct and behavior with students. And remember, you are a superstar to these kids. See Nurse Kim when you volunteer the first time. She has a form to sign and will go over the guidelines and your schedule for the day. Our family and parent engagement coordinator, communications liaison, is Christy Bentley. Her email is bentleyk@conwayschools.net. And here we go. When you need to look up something for your parents' right to know, your annual report card is on the Arkansas Department of Ed website. Progress review, same as the annual report card, but it's for the district. Written state complaint procedure, parent communication, disabled parents, parent and family engagement plan, and the school parent compact. This information can be accessed through our Title I annual meeting that is also recorded on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for listening. We appreciate you so much. We miss having you guys in our school, and we can't wait to get back to normal. Thanks so much.